So you're probably thinking about Bone. You can buy Shiba on many exchanges. You can buy Leash on some exchanges, but you can't get the Bone. Now, there is one exchange you can get it on that was announced not long ago. This right here. I'll have the link in the description. You can go ahead and grab this. But why you want to get Bone on Shiba Swap? So we're going to go ahead and break that down. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today, because we're going to talk about Bone. We're going to talk about getting some Bone through the Shiba Swap. We can get it in multiple ways, actually. Very simple and very easy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification when we do videos just like this. Now, let's talk about it. Now, one of the easiest way, in my opinion, of getting Bone is just swapping for it. I'm telling you. So you can go right here, and don't forget to log into your Shiba Swap and get connected right at the top. Right here, we'll connect to your wallet. I could change my wallet. And if I need to get connected to MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase, just click on there and follow the steps. I click right there and then check it out. Boom, I'm right here. This is actually my Coinbase wallet right here. I have $9.50 in my Coinbase wallet, Ethereum. And matter of fact, let me explain to you a little bit about Coinbase. There's actually 3 versions of Coinbase. There's Coinbase.com, Coinbase Pro, and a Coinbase wallet, which is this right here. So let me get that straight. And Shiba's only available on Coinbase wallet, not Coinbase.com or Coinbase Pro. Not yet. It will be. It will be, and you'll know about it, because I'm telling you, I know people have been wanting this. Like me, I've been wanting it. Absolutely. And then, I think once you get on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com, it will make this process even easier. So we'll definitely break that down when it happens. So we're talking about swapping to get the Bone. We want the Bone, right? And you're probably thinking, should I get Bone? In my opinion, look at this at the top. Before I swap it, look at that top. It's up $5.82. And yes, it was about $75. Is it $75? Yes, $75 a couple of days ago. I remember seeing it, and I thought about buying that thing, and I'm so glad I didn't. Oh my goodness. So I waited to get all the way down, and I swapped it. I swapped it some Shiba for the Bone. So I didn't get it in 75. So don't worry about it. If you got it at the top, don't worry about it. You just don't overthink it. It's not financial advice, but just don't try to go crazy about it. It's okay. You're just going to have to wait a little bit longer before it can go back up. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, how you do it, you can just swap it. I think this is probably one of the most easiest thing to do to get Bone, in my opinion, other than just buying it. Other than just buying it. Oops, I think I hit the wrong button. Buying it from here. So you can buy it from here. This was announced a couple of days ago. So you can go right to this exchange and get it Bone. But if you want to get it through Shiba Swap, which I prefer at this time, in my opinion, because I have it all in the ecosystem, I'll just swap for it. That's my favorite way of getting it. So if I'm going to swap Ethereum, make an example. I'm saying, I think I did that. Let me go back. Go back. Let me go back here. I think I get them backwards. I got them backwards. I got them backwards. Okay, Ethereum. And you don't have to use Ethereum to swap to get Bone. Because remember, all this is in my Coinbase wallet. All this is my Coinbase wallet. Like RSR, if I go to my Coinbase wallet, and let me just show you something. Let me show you some things that nobody's showing you. Look at this. RSR's right here. I can swap my RSR for Bone. And you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm just thinking that's a good idea. So let me go. Let's see. Let's see. I haven't done that actually. Let me see. RSR. Let me see. Let me see if they'll let me do that. And boom. Let me see. I probably need some Ethereum. Hopefully I got enough Ethereum to make it go. And so I'm gonna do maximum, infinite. Okay, straight at this time. I probably need to get some more Ethereum. So let me go and get some Ethereum, and we're gonna swap it. So let me see here. I got to get some more Ethereum. This is how you get Ethereum through your Coinbase wallet. You go to buy or transfer your Coinbase. We're gonna buy it. And remember, they're gonna get me the information here. They are giving me the amount, and we're going to do $100. We're gonna do $100 in Ethereum, and we're gonna buy it. And remember, when you're setting up your Coinbase wallet, just set up your bank account. It's very simple and very easy when you're setting it up. If you need any help, just put it in the comment line. We'll do a video on how to do that properly, very slowly, because to me, this should be, okay, they're giving me the confirmation. Man, it's all over the place. You guys seeing everything today. Not everything. You can't see all this. Man, what is this? Come on now. 428. See here. I'm just gonna type it in. 428. It's so cool, man. I like this. 3409. 3409. Let me go back. 30. Let's see. 3409. You see. Booyah! Transfer. Okay. So we're gonna wait till Ethereum change the number. We're gonna try to swap it from a different asset that's not SHIB, that's not leash, that's not Ethereum. So this is something different. And I'm doing this for the first time. I have not traded anything else to get to a bone. But anyway, that's how you do it. Once Ethereum loads in there, we'll go ahead and do that. We'll go right back to this once this number changes right here. We'll come right back to it. Don't worry. So that's one area you can get it. Another area you can do it, you can dig for it. You can dig for it by providing liquidity to earn bone. Just like it says right here. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So let me zoom in a little bit. Provide liquidity to earn bone. There are tons of bones under the ground. Whoop. Let me go back. There we go. Let me go back. Make it all nice and neat for you. So you can provide liquidity to earn bone here. And so what happens is, remember this chart here, when you're digging, if you had SHIB and Ethereum pairing, you can get bone plus SHIB plus Ethereum. So that's another way you can do it. This pair, just like I did here, SHIB and Ethereum pairing. How to do that? You create a pair, Ethereum, and then you go find your SHIB. You just find your SHIB there. Let me go. Or you can just type it in. Sometimes it's good to type it. Sometimes it's good to type it to find it. So that's all you do. You just pair this together and you just add this together. That's all you do. And my positions already, this is my position already. I've already did it already. I can add to my position and I'm pairing this together to get bones in our liquidity pool. It literally says that in there. That's all you do to dig. That's you dig. You dig. Let's check on the Ethereum, see if that's it. And voila, the Ethereum's ready. It's almost like you got popcorn in the microwave. It was popping. It's ready to come out and ready to eat it. So anyway, let's go back to the other side. So this is how you can get it. You can get, let me go back. Let me go back here. So you can dig it. We just went to the digging area very slowly. That's all you do. Swapping it, we're going to try to swap it for something else. And I'm going to try to see if it works. I have not tried this. Have not tried to use a different asset. Let's see if it lets me. All instant liquidity for this trade. Okay, RSR won't work. Let me try Elon. Elon won't work. Okay. Well, what? Let me see here. It said approve Elon. Okay, confirm. Okay. So RSR doesn't work, but Elon may work. Let me see here. All right. Okay, here. Okay. Confirm. And then we got the pin. All right. It approved it. Let me see here. It's pending at the top here. Okay, so Elon. I had some Elon there. I wanted to see if that works. So anyway, I think it does though, because based on the white paper and the information, it did mention Elon there. It did mention that. So I won't be surprised it does work here. I don't know. So anyway, this is really good. So basically what we went over, how to get bone. Remember, you can get it on this exchange here. You also can dig for it, just like I just went here. And now you can swap for it. And look at this. I could swap for this and get this amount of bone. It's not worth that though. I'm not going to swap it. I know I paid $2 to be able to access to it, but I'm not going to confirm that because I'm going to wait to Elon. I'm going to wait till that price goes up a little bit. I'm going to wait. Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I wait? I'm going to wait. But basically I can confirm the swap. So I can confirm the swap and actually get the bone. I can do that. So we're going to hold off on that. But that's how you can do it. You can swap it. I also can swap it for Shiba. So I can go to Shiba and go. Shiba's pretty simple to do. Shiba, I can swap it for Shiba. And so see, like that, I can swap it for Shiba. I can swap it for Ethereum, of course. Ethereum, I'm telling you, Ethereum is everywhere. I mean, you can swap it for Ethereum. Look at that swap right there. Boom. I get 14 bone for that amount of Ethereum. So, really? So I think I get 14 bones. That many Ethereum? Okay. Anyway, you do. So I can do Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum has enough liquidity to go ahead and do that. So, of course, more than enough, actually, to do that. So, Ethereum, you can swap it for leash. Oh, can you release? Let me make sure. I don't want to be transparent. I think you, yes. Let me see here. I haven't tried it with leash. See if you can. Yeah. Yeah, I believe you could. I mean, I believe you could here. So, I know you can for SHIB, Ethereum. Try Ethereum SHIB. That's definitely gonna do. So, yeah. So, you can swap it from other tokens that has a liquidity pool. So Ethereum and SHIB and leash, you should be able to go ahead and swap that. Really simple to get the bone. The bone looks like this. And be careful for finding bone anywhere else. Be careful. Look for this logo and make sure it's attached with the Shiba Swap ecosystem. Make sure you get this logo here. So those are two. Well, okay. You can dig for it. You can swap for it. You can go to this exchange and just outright buy it according to this right here. And then also you can bury it. Yes, you can bury it. So yes, you can bury it. And if we go back to the SHIB right here, let me go back. Look at this. If I'm burying SHIB, I have an opportunity to get bone. If I'm burying bone, I get more bone. If I get leash, I get bone. So basically, this is all about the bone. This is all about the bone. That lets me know bone's gonna be worth something. Come on, think about this. I'm burying SHIB to get bone. I'm burying bone to get more bone. I'm burying leash to get more bone. And look at down here. I'm basically digging. I'm digging Ethereum and SHIB and get bone. I'm burying bone in Ethereum to get bone. And I'm burying a leash in Ethereum to get more bone. So, I mean, this bone is always involved in this. It's kind of like, you know how you at a restaurant, it's almost like the salad. It's almost like the appetizer that you automatically get. You know, you automatically get the salad when you get the entree at a lot of the entrees. I know it had nothing to do with it, but I just think but the salad's so important. It's healthy. It kind of goes with the steak or the chicken, whatever you're having. But bone, you get bone everywhere, man. But anyway, you can bury your SHIB to get bone. You can bury your bone to get more bone right here and leash. So that's it. And how do you bury it? It's really simple to do. Very simple to do. If I'm burying bone, I could just get more bone. It says stake. And then right here, you can put the amount or the percentages, 50%, click on stake, and you ready to go. Just make sure you have your Coinbase wallet or your MetaMask or your Wallet Connect logged in and ready to go. Just like that. What I did here, I just plugged it in on here for I can show you exactly what's happening in real time. Well, this might be recorded if you're watching the recording here, but you're watching me do it, you know, all together. We're doing this together, me and you right now. So, and my last part here I want to cover, remember last video I talked about the total value locked. That is being locked all inside the ecosystem of Shiba Swap, and that is powerful. This number is actually growing. In my opinion, no, not financial advice, it's just my opinion, this number is going to continue to grow. You guys have no idea what we're in store. There's nothing like this. I understand it's not getting the results that you want. You may not know much about bone, but to me, in my opinion, I would be trying to get bone. and eventually get the leash. Work up to it. Don't worry about if you have a small budget. Be proud of your Shiba. If you got 100 million Shiba, be proud of that. Be proud. Be proud of the Shiba. You don't have to use the Shiba Swap. So you can keep it on crypto.com or Binance. It's okay. You don't have to use the Shiba Swap ecosystem. But you're missing out on the benefits if you don't. Not financial advice. I can't give you the financial advice. But work up to it. If you got Shiba, try to get to the bone if that's your goals, right? So this video is about I want bone. Well, I told you several ways how you can get bone. Dig, bury, swap, or you got the exchange right here. So if you got any questions, let me know. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the links below to get Shiba and bone. Absolutely. You can also get leash, but I'll do that in another video because I don't want to really confuse you. I don't want to confuse you at all. So take a look at the links in the description there. I've got them there to help you out to move forward. And be proud of what you have. Be patient. Be patient. There's nothing like this on the internet right now. I know there's some other actually assets and projects that's putting things together that's maybe similar to Shiba Swap. We don't have anything like this. Come on now. Seriously. And there's more stuff coming. I'm going to do a video over Wolf to break that down, for that can really help you and help you make a right decision for you and your family. Absolutely. So keep following these videos. I'm going to keep coming them out to help you move forward and think about getting that bone. I mean, I want a bone, not a chicken bone. I'm going to go ahead and get some bone. I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Have some fun with it. Watch this video over and over again if you need to know how to get the bone. And I'll see you on the next video.